He's still around. So we'll have to get him in here and get the case back on track. Then we've got Sandeep Singh. Then we've got Rhonda's cases. Good morning, sir. You Sandeep Singh?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
I met you at your arraignment. At least you don't owe me a bunch of money. No, that's good. People have been less conscientious about paying fines and costs as the consequences have been reduced. You talked about this charge at your arraignment. You got charged with embezzlement over $200, but less than $1,000. That's a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000, $2,000. According to this, they're recommending placing you on a probation under Holmes Youthful Trainee Act, which means if you successfully complete the probation, the charge could be taken off of your record and made non-public. How old are you, sir?
I am 23, Your Honor.
All right, you're eligible for that up until you're 26. Where'd you go to high school?
Constantine?
All right, that's what I thought. Your family own a business there?
No.
I thought, okay. I mean, I got the wrong, Singh's a very common name.
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
It's like Jones or Smith in English. All right. Anyway, the allegation is that you took some money while you were an employee at Meijer's without having permission to do so. And nobody wants an embezzlement charge on their record. That doesn't do very well when you're applying for your next case. Embezzlement is larceny when there's a relationship of trust with the other party. So if you went into Meijer's and stole $300 worth of stuff, it would be charged as larceny over $200. As an employee of Meijer's, it changes it. The punishment is the same, but it becomes an embezzlement charge. So the probation here would be important. Other than what's been said here about the recommendation for Holmes Youthful Trainee, has anybody promised you anything to get you to plead to this?
No, Your Honor.
Or threatened you?
No, Your Honor.
Now, you've heard me go through the rights a couple times this morning, and I don't think I have one from you. But did you understand you have those same rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Were you working at the Meijer store?
When it happened, yes.
All right. Let me find the affidavit. There is no affidavit. What was your position at Meijer's?
I was a service coordinator.
And what is that?
It's pretty much like a supervising cashier.
This case involved the bottle return slips, as we often see in embezzlement.
Yes,
cases, right?
Mr. Bush and I have been here the same amount of time. We've seen 100 bottle slip cases, probably literally. So were you using return from bottle slips to take cash that you kept for yourself?
Yes,
More than $200?
yes,
And did you lose your job as a result of this?
yes, I did.
I appreciate your candor. You're owning this, which is a good sign. I'm gonna have to set this for sentencing because I don't know anything. I don't know, I don't even have an affidavit of probable cause. You don't have any criminal history, as I recall, none. You've not been in trouble before. You're young enough. You feel like you're appropriate. At one time, I started this when I was the prosecutor. I had an embezzler's treatment class, which I was very proud of, particularly for women. It was a very good treatment program. And when I became judge, it sort of faded away. Circuit court quit using it altogether. Anyway, we've got some lesser thing. Are you working somewhere now?
Yes, I am.
Where do you work?
The Shell in Vicksburg.
He's doing, he is in a position where he would like to move up, but this is kind of him on his head for.
Well, they're about to that's a nice station, but it's too small. The parking lot's too small, and apparently they're gonna revamp the whole thing.
Yes, that is what all of us have been told, either next summer or the.
Well, I heard it on the radio. They're gonna he bought the house next door, and the plan is to move the building and leave the pumps and make it all bigger, but it's a nice station right in Vicksburg. All right, well, let's pick a date. I'm gonna need a police report, restitution. Information. Well, let me see if you're set to be here.
Can we use that May 4th we used earlier, or is that for?
I think we can. That'll just about fill it up, but you're already scheduled to be here, so we'll set it for May 4th. At 10:30. It sounds like you've come through this pretty good. I'm going to hide a wreck. Once it becomes Holmes Youthful Trainee, if I do elect to do it, it'll become non-public. So I'm going to do it on that day, probably not making a live stream of it.
Do you want me to file a written HIDA motion? Your Honor?
Yes, please, that would help. That would be on Monday, May 4th, 2026 at 10:30. All right, Mr. Singh, I'll see you at that time.
Does he need to talk to anybody before he leaves today?
No, I didn't ask for a pre-sentence, just the police report and restitution issues. If there's anything you want me to know, Mr. Singh, bring that with you and share it with your lawyer.
Thank you. I believe that covers everything for me.
All right, thank you. Let's get Rhonda on her way. They're moving here. Oh, bang, crash, boom. The whole courthouse is in disarray. All right, thank you.